Hi, I'm Mike, aka Redbeard from Nootka Marine Adventures. We're out here just off of Nootka Island. We've got a bunch of kids. This is our Anglers Academy day. We are teaching them how to fish. We're jigging, we're gonna do a little bit of trolling, fishing for bottom fish and salmon.
So let's tap that.
Anglers Academy is about teaching life skills to kids through fishing. Some of the fundamentals of it are creating lifelong memories, building relationships, and connecting with the outdoors. We're practicing patience and resilience and promoting sustainable fishing practices. One of the first things we teach in Anglers Academy is how to use safety equipment, like PFDs. Perfect fitting PFD. How to safely navigate the waters, how to check weather conditions and tides, and how these affect fishing. Another key point we teach within safety is understanding chart information and navigational aids. We just finished doing some jigging for bottom fish. Now we're trolling for salmon. There's two types of salmon we're targeting here, Chinook and coho. We're teaching the kids how the downriggers work, different gear choices, and how to locate them. We're teaching the kids different ways of locating salmon, such as looking for bait balls like that.
Oh, that's a big one.
Okay, that's what we're looking for.
Yeah, right there.
Right there. One of the great things about Anglers Academy is it's a multi-day program. You guys ready for another day of Anglers Academy?
Yeah.
Yeah! We're out here jigging for salmon on this beautiful day. We just cruised past this beach looking for bait. We found some, and now we've positioned the boat to drift right over it. Good. See if the salmon bite.
He feels good. Jigging is so fun.
We're trolling for salmon now. If we catch a small one right now, we're gonna keep it in the water and use the gaff to release it without harming it. If we catch a big one, we're gonna net it, bring it in the boat. We're gonna let this one grow. We're gonna keep it in the water. You can use the gaff to flip the hook upside down and release it. That's the best way to release a fish. Bigger one, we'd be using the net, bringing it in the boat. These are all skills and best practices you'll learn at Anglers Academy. Remember to keep your thumb on the spool there when you send it down. So yeah, when we're bottom fishing, we're generally looking for structure and drop-offs. We're also looking at tide, currents, and depths to help us determine the right bait and lure selections.
You're doing awesome, there it is.
One of the important things we teach at Anglers Academy is about sustainability. We teach people how to catch and release fish, when to release small fish and big fish, and how it helps us fish for future generations.
This is Payne's.
Here in Nootka Sound, we're lucky to also have the Kanuma River Hatchery. They help supplement the wild populations by adding Chinook, chum, and coho, releasing them into the wild here. Along with fishing, we also have a diverse range of wildlife here that we're lucky enough to see frequently. That adds to the magic of being in this area. If you're interested in Anglers Academy, head to our website, nootkamarinadventures.com, and sign up. We can't wait to fish with you.
Anglers Academy!